Introducing the stunning 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, featuring a clean Carfax with remarkably low miles, only 68,000, plus a dealer service history. This Corvette is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. At the time of sale, you can also take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. For even more peace of mind, ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available during the sale. We understand purchasing a car is a big decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void this unit being sold as a CPO unit with warranty and the 5-year service plan. Plus, you can upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure your confidence in this vehicle. Don't miss out. Call today and make this Corvette yours.